Hey everyone, appreciate you watching one of my newest videos. This is a brand new foreclosure. This one will be hitting the market any day now. I don't have a price, but this will be a fixer-upper. This particular seller doesn't make any repairs. They won't even lift a hammer. So they're gonna do nothing to the property. It's been trashed out. I'm just waiting on the list price. But let's walk through and take a look at this one and see what it's gonna need to bring it back to full market value. So the house has pretty good curb appeal. I mean, it's an interesting design. It's all brick. But you can already tell the fence is in need of repair. And the roof. The roof is a definitely big issue. It's kind of nice, you're right across the street from a church. So here in our area, we still have a lot of homes that have the original windows, and this is a pretty good example. If you're an investor and going to do flip properties, one of the things that just drives me nuts is when an investor will rehab a property, spend all this money, but they won't do the windows. Original non-energy efficient single pane aluminum windows, they suck. I mean, they're just not good. So they need to be replaced. All these windows plus the sliders, they're all original. Not a bad little backyard. So, like I stated, this seller will not make any repairs. So basically how you see it in this video is how it's going to be sold. They won't do anything. They won't spend any money at all to do any type of repairs. So one of the things I like to do in my videos is I like to talk about just all the issues that I see. Things that I'm looking for, whether I'm looking for them for the bank, the seller, potential issues, or from a buyer standpoint. But I'm not trying to be negative, but I've got to find all the issues, because the more that can be brought out and discovered now is going to just save a whole lot of headache. So this house has gas. We actually have gas heat. You've got to love this air conditioner here. Oh, it looks brand new. I can't even calculate the number of ACs I've had stolen or ripped off in my real estate career. It's well in the hundreds, that's for sure. So it looks like some non-gifted person took out the old little deck here, whatever was here, and tore up some brick. The house is off grade, so I know a lot of people like that. Doesn't really make a difference to me, but so you've got a really oversized, huge two-car garage here. But the power's not on yet, so I don't have much lighting in here. But if you can see the floor, it's soaking wet from all the rain. This roof's got some major moisture problems. It's got a good bit of mold here on the decking. You really can't see it in the video, but it does. So once again, like I said, the roof is an issue. And here's our kitchen area. It's basically a total gut job. I mean, the cabinets are pretty trashy. The appliances are old. You can see it's all torn up right here. So these repairs are starting to get up there. This is one reason why the bank won't do any repairs, because a house like this, you've got to basically, either you've got to do it all and spend some good money on it to make it worth it. And the cost of cure is just not worth it for them, not with this amount of money needed. Yeah, so here's your master. This is a 3-bedroom. Got your master back here. Once again, you see the windows, the slider. And you've got a purple tiled bathroom here with double vanity sinks. This is another one that needs to be gutted. You can see some damaged sheetrock from the condensation, which is typical. So you got a stand-up shower in your master. That's it. Alright, so here's your other guest bathroom. It's green. You've got a spot, another water spot on the ceiling in there. That could be painted, probably get away with it. So here's your middle second bedroom. Your brown shag carpet, your copper color, whatever this is. Really should probably stay. Now these hardwood floors don't look bad at all. Actually, they look like they could probably refinish, and I do not see any bad spots. And this is a very good large size bedroom right here. But once again, windows and painting. Now, one thing I do want to mention, this house was built in '63, so we should not have aluminum wiring issue here. But I'm just going to show you, I'm not going to do it right this second, but you do have circuit breakers. But one thing I always do and want to do is I want to verify, because aluminum wiring is such a huge issue for us here in our area, that I want to make sure I determine right off the bat if the house has aluminum wiring. And honestly, the best way to tell is to simply take the panel cover off and look in the panel and see if we have any aluminum. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is another foreclosure. It's going to be hitting the market soon. I don't know exactly when it'll come out, but it should be any day now. But like I said, this is going to be a major fixer-upper, and this seller won't make any repairs, period. So it should be a good opportunity for somebody to pick it up for a flip or a possible rental. Anyway, if you have any questions at all about buying a house, buying foreclosures, investment properties, give me a call, send me an email, get in touch with me. I'll be glad to answer any questions, be glad to help. Been doing this for 17 years. I know my product, and I know this game as well as anyone. If you have any questions, please give me a call, let me know. I'll be glad to help, and subscribe to my channel, please. Appreciate it.